Number 1. 1979 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale, $3,200, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 1979 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale is a desirable four-wheel drive classic pickup that remains largely original. It is powered by a 6.6-liter V8 paired with a turbo-hydromatic 400 automatic transmissions, a combination known for durability. Showing approximately 55,000 miles, the truck starts easily and drives well as a regular driver. Original air conditioning, dual fuel tanks, and functional gauges add practicality, though the speedometer is inoperative. With honest cosmetic wear, it represents an excellent driver quality project at a very attractive price. Number 2. 1976 Chevrolet LUV, $2,000, Post Falls, Idaho. This 1976 Chevrolet LUV is a simple and dependable compact classic pickup. It is equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission and shows 113,000 miles. The truck runs and drives well, including highway use, and carries a clean title. A Weber carburetor conversion improves performance and drivability. With increasing collector interest, this LUV makes an appealing entry-level classic project. Number 3. 1975 Chevrolet C30 3+3 Camper Special, $2,800, Portland, Oregon. This 1975 Chevrolet C30 Camper Special is a heavy-duty 1-ton truck powered by a 454 cubic-inch V8 and an automatic transmission, rebuilt approximately 2,000 miles ago. It runs strong, shifts smoothly, and steers well with effective brakes. While some accessories are not functioning, the core mechanical components remain solid. This truck offers strong value as a restoration platform or utility-focused classic. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed Camper Edition, $3,900, Amado, Arizona. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 Long Bed Camper Edition provides a desirable base for a period-correct restoration. It features a V8 engine, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, factory towing equipment, and air conditioning. The truck has been sitting and the odometer is not operational, but the body, interior, and major components appear largely intact. Its Arizona location may indicate a favorable climate history. Number 5. 1977 GMC High Sierra K20 3/4 ton, $4,800, Santa Cruz, California. This 1977 GMC High Sierra K20 is a 3/4-ton four-wheel drive project with single-family ownership history. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it runs and drives but requires cosmetic and mechanical attention. Recent updates include new tires, a water pump, and cooling system components. The engine consumes oil, signaling future engine work. Overall, it remains a very restorable and usable classic four-wheel drive truck. Number 6. 1986 Ford F-150 XL, $4,250, Pullman, Washington. This 1986 Ford F-150 XL is a classic four-wheel drive pickup that runs but is not currently dependable for daily driving. It is equipped with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a remarkably well-preserved original interior. Recent repairs include a new fuel pump, battery, and ignition coil. Cosmetic improvements and minor mechanical work are still needed, making this an ideal enthusiast project. Number 7. 1986 Ford F-250 Lariat Long Bed Extended Cab, $2,250, Scappoose, Oregon. This 1986 Ford F-250 Lariat is a rugged diesel-powered four-wheel drive truck with strong character. It is equipped with a 6.9-liter diesel engine and automatic transmission. Showing approximately 92,000 miles, it features new brake components and relatively new tires mounted on alloy wheels. Though cosmetically rough, it is mechanically sound and well-suited for work or light restoration. Number 8. 1987 Mazda B2000, $1,300, Santa Cruz, California. This 1987 Mazda B2000 is a compact pickup valued for mechanical simplicity and durability. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, it runs but requires carburetor tuning. With 240,000 miles, it will also need clutch and brake system repairs. The included camper shell and bed liner add practical value. This is an ideal low-budget project or mechanic special. Number 9. (1986) Chevrolet 1-ton cab and chassis, $4,500, Marquez, Texas. This 1986 Chevrolet 1-ton cab and chassis is a heavy-duty rear-wheel drive work platform. It features a 454 cubic inch V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and a flatbed configuration. The cab is solid, with only minor rust beginning at the corners. With a clean title and strong drivetrain, it is well suited for work use, custom builds, or restoration projects. Number 10. 1993 Ford Ranger SuperCab 4-wheel drive, $450, Seattle, Washington. This 1993 Ford Ranger SuperCab is offered strictly as a project or parts vehicle. It is powered by a 4.0-liter V6 and a 5-speed manual transmission, but has a blown head gasket. The 4-wheel drive system and drivetrain components remain intact. Sold with salvage status and a bill of sale only, it is best suited for off-road use or parts harvesting. Number 11. 1988 GMC 2500 two-wheel drive, $2,200, Wikieup, Arizona. This 1988 GMC 2500 is a heavy-duty two-wheel drive pickup equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 and a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The engine runs strong, but may be developing internal issues. Showing nearly 238,000 miles and sold with an Arizona title, it is offered as is with no negotiations. Best suited for parts or mechanical repair. Number 12. 1988 Ford F350 4-wheel drive flatbed dually, $14,000, Monroe, Washington. This 1988 Ford F350 is a well-preserved 1-ton 4-wheel drive truck, combining collectability with serious work capability. It features a V8 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and only 65,700 original miles. Brand new wheels and tires, a functional flatbed with ramp, and a clean, well-kept interior complete the package. This truck stands out as a highly capable and increasingly collectible classic,